presidential debate is going on today at 9 p.m. Eastern time, or if you're here in the West Coast, Pacific Standard Time, it's at 6 p.m. I do plan to live stream it, and if you want to tune on into my free live stream on YouTube so we can watch this together as Trump begins to debate Biden, this is going to should be interesting. It's going to be 90 minutes long. I totally understand if you want to watch this on your own, but if you want to watch it together, subscribe to the channel, drop a thumbs up, and get this video to over 500 likes, because it should be interesting to see, based off of what they say and who supposedly wins, how the market will ultimately end up reacting. I also want to make sure that you are aware that, yes, tomorrow, Friday, before the market opens, it's the PCE report. PCE report is the most important inflation report from the eyes of the Federal Reserve. We have an expectation of 2.6%. If the actual report comes in higher than 2.6, be ready for the market to drop. If it comes in at 2.6 or less, be ready for the market to potentially continue to go up. So overall, NASDAQ market made new highs for the day, pulled on back, found its support, and then began to reverse. Now it's looking a little bit more on the overbought side. I just announced it to my LPP team. I just added more to my short, not my short position, but my SQQQ position. Remember, SQQQ goes up when the NASDAQ market goes down. I like to keep my trading simple. I know a lot of people view it as, it's like a one-trick pony type of approach. To me, if you want to continue to scan for different stocks because you always want to look for those big runners, be my guest. But if you are someone that continues to overcomplicate your trading and you need to simplify it, then again, all we focus on is market direction. If the market's going up, then we go long. If the market's going down or we see downside potential, then we go short. That simple. There's no reason to overcomplicate it, right? And the really cool thing about it is that it's triple leverage, meaning that when the NASDAQ market runs 1%, TQs or SQs moves 3 times that, 3%. So again, keeping trading simple. If you want to continue to overcomplicate it, see how it's working for you. And if it's not working out well, then again, I'd love to invite you to our live trading session so you can watch me trade these stocks live every single day. And again, that's that second link in the description down below. I appreciate your time. Hope that earned your thumbs up. Again, just wanted to make you aware of that presidential debate. I don't want to hear any surprises going into tomorrow when the market opens because of the PCE report and because of what happened from that presidential debate, that you were not prepared. No excuses. You're aware of it now, so you either do something about it to manage or mitigate risk, or if not, forever hold your peace, right? Appreciate your time. Hope that we earned your thumbs up. We'll see you tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern time or at 6 p.m. Arizona time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.